First thing to do is to find a direction. He's headed west, so we're going to make west be the positive direction. We have got a speed of 88 kilometers per hour, a distance of 76 kilometers. That allows us to figure out the time. We can do that because we know that speed is equal to the distance divided by the time, so time is equal to distance divided by speed. So we have 76 divided by 88. That's going to be equal to 0.864 hours. Then we look at the going back towards the east. That'll be negative. So our distance is equal to 34 kilometers. Our velocity is 72 kilometers per hour. And again, we can find time. That's equal to d over v. That'd be 34 divided by 72, or 0.472 hours. To figure out our average speed, that is our total distance divided by our time. That is going to be 76 plus 34, because it does not matter which direction those two distances are happening. 0.864 seconds or hours plus 0.472. And that ends up being 82 kilometers per hour. To figure out our average velocity, that's our displacement over time. We had 76 going in the positive direction, 34 going in the negative direction. Our total time is still the same. Watch order of operations when you divide that. Make sure everything's in parentheses when you stick it in your calculator. And that is 31 kilometers per hour. If you had decided to make positive go towards the east and negative towards the west, this answer would be negative. That's totally fine. Nothing wrong with that. And just a word about showing your work. You'll notice that I've showed everything. I've got what I know in the problem. I have my equation, I have my substitution, and I've got my answer with units and an appropriate level of sig figs. AP is not real picky about sig figs. As long as you have less than 5, you're good. So just make sure that you have 2 or 3 is usually about right. AP does not give you points for showing the givens, but it helps you solve problems, so I strongly recommend that you write them down. But it's usually 1 point for equation, 1 point for substitution, and 1 point for answer. So these are non-negotiable. You must show those.